Business here on the broadcast, and thanks for staying with us. So let's head to the present ratings, and Moody's ratings has upgraded Kenya's credit rating to B3, reversing an earlier downgrade that followed the unrest in the aftermath of the 2024 protests and the finance bill, the punitive tax proposals Kenyans had objected to, which was before Parliament. The ratings agency now says that the country faces a lower risk of default given its foreign exchange reserve and proper debt management, as Jasmine Wamboi now tells us in the following report.
Moody's has raised Kenya's sovereign credit rating to B3 from Caa1 and assigned a stable outlook, indicating that the country's recent financial gains are expected to hold in the near term. The upgrade reflects a lower risk that Kenya could struggle to meet its debt obligations. Moody's points to a build-up of foreign exchange reserves now at $12.2 billion, enough to cover more than 5 months of imports. At the same time, the government has eased short-term debt pressure after raising $3 billion from international bond markets and using part of the funds to refinance maturing loans. This has helped smooth Kenya's debt repayment profile. And the country's external finances have also improved, with the current account deficit narrowing on the back of stronger exports and higher remittances from Kenyans living abroad. Domestic borrowing conditions have also improved, with Treasury bill rates now falling to below 8% from nearly 10% last year. However, Moody's cautions that these gains sit alongside persistent fiscal weaknesses. Kenya still spends more than 30% of its total revenue on interest payments, while the budget deficit is expected to remain high at around 6% of GDP, limiting fiscal flexibility. Moody says further improvement in the country's credit profile will depend on sustained revenue growth, tighter control of spending, and a reduction in debt servicing costs. And failure to protect cash buffers or rein in borrowing could put the rating under renewed pressure. Jasmine Wamboi, Citizen.